Look at that. Just saying that. Look how clean that is. From an LU. Year-old printer, by the way. So this took about 6 hours, right? 6 hours of printing. This is 10 hours of printing. Just because all the supports, slowing it down so much. It's funny how much supports and little extra details will slow down print. Because this is 10 hours of printing. It hasn't gotten much. Well, that's 6 hours of printing over there. How much more height we got. So, this is like a Kratos God of War armor. Shoulder armor. I'm going to use it for my Greek